students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear the measurement of national income by income expenditure or value added method. Let us start with income method. The first component of income method is compensation of employees. If this component is not given, then we can take wages and salaries in cash or wages and salaries in kind. Next, we can take employer's contribution to social security schemes. Second component of income method is operating surplus. Operating surplus means income from property or entrepreneurship. The components of operating surplus are rent, royalty, interest or profit. If profit is not given, then we can calculate profit as corporate tax, corporate savings. Third one is dividend. Third component of income method is mixed income. And if we sum up all these three components, then we get domestic income, or NDP at FC is equal to compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income, or for the calculation of national income, or NNP at FC, domestic income plus net factor income from abroad, or NDP at FC plus net factor income from abroad. Next, for the calculation of expenditure method, first component is number 1, private final consumption expenditure. Number 2, government final consumption expenditure. Number 3, net exports. Net exports, exports minus imports. Fourth component is gross domestic capital formation. If component is not given, then we can take gross fixed capital formation with change in stock, closing minus opening stock. If we sum up all the four components of expenditure method, then we get GDP at MP. So GDP at MP is the summation of private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross investment plus exports minus imports. And for the calculation of national income or net national product at factor cost, GDP at MP minus depreciation plus net factor income from abroad minus net indirect taxes. So in this way we can calculate expenditure method. For the calculation of value added method, first component is gross value added by primary sector. Number 2, gross value added by secondary sector. Number 3, gross value addition by tertiary sector. So by sum up all these values, we can calculate GDP at MP. So value addition is equal to value of output minus value of intermediate consumption value of output is equal to sales plus change in stock. So this is GDP at MP for the calculation of GDP at MP. And if we have to calculate national income by value added method, recently we have calculate GDP at MP minus depreciation plus net factor income from abroad minus net indirect taxes. So in this way we can calculate all the three methods: income method, expenditure method, or value added method. So for see more detail, kindly go through the description box. Detail is given over there. So do subscribe my channel to see more videos or more numericals related to national income. Thank you.